everyone, today let's see this beautiful property for sale by nestaway.com, India's most trusted real estate platform. This property is near to Brigade Palm Springs and is in JP Nagar 5th phase. Many hospitals, medical pharmaceuticals are near to the property. These are the institutions, malls and hospitals that are very near to the property for sale. Fitness center like Cult, Reliance Smart and restaurants like Kai Ruchi are near to the property. This is the property we are going to look at, which is in Ayodhya Nagar, Shamana Garden, JP Nagar 5th phase. It has both 2 and 3 BHKs. Today let's see a 2 BHK. It has party hall, gym and swimming pool in the terrace. It has this 8-passenger lift. This is a 2 and 4-wheeler covered parking, 24/7 water supply and power backup is also present. Rainwater harvesting is also done. Has round the clock security. Now let's see the 2 BHK for sale. This is north facing 2 BHK with 1205 square feet area. As we enter, we have a small foyer area and living area which is connected to the dining. This is the living area, which is 16 feet 2 inch by 10 feet 7 inch in size. It's huge and has good ventilation. This is a small foyer area which is 10 feet 6 inch by 4 feet 6 inch in size. This is the dining area which has an kitchen attached and is 12 feet by 19 feet in size. In this kitchen we'll have a granite countertop and kitchen dado tiling will be done. Both kitchen and dining have good sunlight because of this utility. This is a spacious 3 feet by 12 feet in size utility where we can have dishwasher and even washing machine can be placed there. This is a kitchen and dining combined together, which is spacious, and a big 6-seater dining table also can be placed here. Next to the kitchen we have this small wash basin and a common washroom is present here. This wash basin is of a very cute size and all the sanitary fittings are from Jaguar. Near to this wash basin we have this tiling to avoid the spillage of the water. Now let's see the common washroom. This is 8 feet by 5 feet in size and has an Indian style commode. It has shower head and provision for the geyser is also given. This washroom is also nicely ventilated. Here we have one bedroom which is 12 feet 10 inch by 10 feet in size, which can be used as a guest or a kid's bedroom. This has an attached balcony. This bedroom also has good ventilation. All the windows provided will have the safety grills and sliding doors. Even mesh door is also given. This balcony is 3 feet in wide and has a safety grill. Next, let's see the second bedroom, which is next to the living area. This is the master bedroom. It has an attached washroom and is 10 feet 7 inch by 10 feet in size. This bedroom also has a big window with safety grills. Here we have an attached washroom which is 8 feet by 5 feet in size and have all the sanitary fittings from Jaguar. Here also we have shower head and provision for the geyser. This washroom is also nicely ventilated and this good tiling is given up to the ceiling. This is about this north facing 2 BHK with 1205 square feet. It has 24/7 water supply, power backup and round the clock security is given. 8-passenger lift, party hall, swimming pool and gym are also provided. For any query about this beautiful property, do contact us through the below mentioned number.